Dear my beautiful wife-to-be, it is not hard to explain how much love I have for you in this letter. As our perfect day comes to life, I draw back to the time that God sent me a sign, showing me that you will be the one I marry. As I laid back in that passenger seat of your car, I looked over to you and suddenly saw a glimpse of our future. You were walking up to the altar in that beautiful dress, smiling from ear to ear, with tears of joy running down your cheeks. As that vision ended, I realized God was telling me, you will be the one I marry.
I can't believe it's true.
When I'm out working, weeks or months at a time, you make it seem like a few short days. I love that you push me to become a better man. You give me the love I deserve, and you have the softest love for me. I will do anything and everything for you, no matter what the cost. I will never leave you or turn my back on you. You are the structure to our relationship. You are my home that has always been missing in my life. You are my better half, my love, my life, my home. I love you always. Paul.
My sweet Paul, today is the big day, the day you become my husband. The words written in this letter are a mere fraction of my true feelings. You are worthy of everything, and I promise to always give you that. I vow to always stand by you, to never stop believing in you, encouraging you, and respecting you. God has graciously blessed me with you because He knew I needed you. I needed your smile, your laugh, your sense of humor, your constant support, and your endless love. I love you unconditionally, and I promise to tell you that every day until our last. I promise to love you when life seems easy, and also when it seems hard. I promise to always remember where we started and how far we've come. It has always been and always will be you. I can't wait to start this beautiful life with you, and I thank you for choosing me to be your wife. I love you, your bride.
Best thing that I'll ever do, I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. I get to love you. I get to love you. I get to love
Dearly beloved,
you.
we're gathered here together in the presence of God and one another to witness and bless the joining of Taylor Frankie together with Paul Velez in holy marriage. And that's pronounced Velez. Who then has prepared this woman for marriage to this man? Her mother and I. I, Paul, take thee, Taylor, to be my wife, my constant friend, and my love from this day forward. In the presence of God, I give you my hand, my heart, and my love from this day forward, in this world and in the next. Groom, you may now kiss the bride.
one-of-a-kind friend. She's beautiful inside and out. She's selfless, caring, and the most loving person I know. I'm blessed to have her, and I value our friendship and love you more than you will ever know. She's always full of laughter, always laughing. She's so in love with you. And I can see it every time she looks at you and every time she talks about you. You better believe I'm not going anywhere though, okay? So, thank you, Paul, for supporting, loving, and making my best friend so happy. And thank you, Taylor, for the love and friendship you've always shown me. I just want y'all both to remember that when times get tough, remember this day, remember the promises you made and the vows you exchanged. The love that you have for each other will see it through.
My brother, my best friend, my first roommate, my wingman. You found the love of your life that you will cherish and hold forever. Y'all be working, supporting together, caring and loving one another forever. It's a full-time job and no days off. But you'll continue loving harder and stronger than you did yesterday. Time will never stop. I cannot be more proud of your brother.
Welcome to the family. Congrats.